Good afternoon to the Kringle community all over the world. You are welcome once again to Freedom for Humanity. Happy Monday to every one of us. How's our day been? Today, the 24th of January, is another day, another time of meeting with the admin of TBC. It's another time of transferring knowledge, another time of sharing ideas, another time of intensive training from our yours truly TBC admin. So guys, make it a date. Come on board. Come and learn. Come and get knowledge. Come and get the needed knowledge on TBC, on life generally, and also on how to excel in cryptocurrency. It's a date. It's another time of sharing with the community. So guys, don't be left out. By 4 p.m. West African time, you can log into your Cash back office, click on meetings and mass adoption training. You will find the link there. Or if you're in any of our social media groups, you will find the link there. So guys, come on board. We have enough seats, at least 1,000 seats are available. Come on board, call your friends, call other exhibitions. Come on board. Let's learn from the admin and let's share from our individual selves. And whatever that is bugging your mind in regards to the policy in the community, come on board. Come and speak directly to the admin self. So guys, looking forward to see you. Thank you. Take good care of yourself. Wish you a wonderful day. Bye for now.